Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to increase page size in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. Now you can see here a document we opened. You want to increase the size of the document, go to the file menu and select the document setup option. You can see here the keyboard shortcut key. You can press Ctrl Alt P on your keyboard to enable the document setup. Now I increase the width and height, make the width is 10 and the height is 15. Then click OK. And we can see we increase the paper size very easily. You can set your text box manually. Now you can see we increase the page size very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.